What's up, guys? Today is Monday. That means it's Joe's All-Star Tool Monday. Hot, 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 and hotter in the shop today. So let's go take a look, see what Joe's got. Y'all come on.
Hey guys, how y'all doing? Let me tell you, first I'm wearing my Kenworth hat because I used to have a Kenworth truck as my tool truck. It's my cool one, it's got the mesh and everything, but man, my hat's off to all you guys. Everybody that's helped with Paxton, Nichols, we had, with everything, I sent a check out there, everybody's behalf, everybody gave cash, and everybody's signed sheet and who paid for what card, but for $1,445.
Cool.
That was a great number. One of my customers in, I want to say Waynesboro, but he's a Savannah man. He had 3 VFW poles send at least $100. A place called Pretty in Pink in Savannah, and he said 2 other places, I can't think of what, but they all sent at least $100 each. That puts it up over $2,000 bucks.
That's good.
That is freaking incredible. So thank you, and believe me, it's wearing me out on all this stuff. But Scotty Brown, he got the 2 race cars, $60.
Okay.
Noah Light, who's, if you read the comments every week, says looks like I'm getting a Snap-on race car. Yes, he did.
Awesome.
He should have that today. Paid $80 on that. The Snap-on truck went to David Guideball out of Guideball Trailers in Corinth. So all that was added in there, of course, and what a great day.
Cool.
Now, Scotty, who got the race cars, I would have given them to him today, but what was he doing? He was off racing somewhere with his kids. We have Mr. James Burns. We have his dollars for the bucket of cash. I told him he'd see them go in.
Okay.
Has your name on it, not mine. Filling that up again for next time. Daryl didn't think I was such a dirty, rotten son of a gun anymore because I gave him his this morning.
He's happy to get that big old wad with him.
So he peels off the rubber bands. He kind of splits in half. He says, "Here, put this on my bill." And when we actually, I says, "We just go half," and the other guy says, "Well, let's count it." He was only off by $7 of splitting it in half.
Wow.
He gave me the bigger half, so I really like that. And then he went $3 more just to make it a nice round number, and so thank you, Mr. Darrell. And then he went and put $100 on his bill. But he's looking to get something big. He's kind of ahead of the curve. So let's get to some tools. We have the Master Cool. This here is for the can tap valve.
Right.
They're changing the design of the cans for the Freon, so you just can't use your old stuff on there. You need this adapter to get on there. Imagine that crap. They're $25.
Okay.
So you can latch up on there, hook up nice and easy. Truck cage bolt tool from Lyle, 3/4 inch, deep. Part number. These are $22.
Cheap enough for that.
They're reasonable. I'm going to switch over to Redback. I have, it's called their beeswax. But you know, when you pay enough for boots, it's nice now and then to polish them up. Now I went and got these, if you guys remember, maybe 2 months ago. I clean them now and then. I'm not on the floors, you know, rolling around under vehicles like you all do, but I get in a lot of dirt, dusty places, but I put that on last night, so you can see.
Right.
Keep your investment all good. This here is $16.
$16.
$16. Yeah, I'm looking. There's so much stuff here. Right back insoles, you can replace them. Even though the the sole don't wear out, the shoe don't wear out, but the pad under your feet needs to be replaced, they're 30 bucks.
Okay.
Need to size your boot, of course, and you know how they do that. You need a size smaller because the men standing on the bottom side, they get bigger feet to haul it up. This here is the, we covered a mini ductor a while ago. This is one of the 2 coil kits.
Okay.
Now you can rebend them, reshape them.
That's a bunch of them in that one.
There is. That's what you want when you say, give me a bunch of them. It's 150 bucks.
Okay. There's a bunch in there.
Which you can, you know, reuse over and over again. The only way to keep, the one sure way to keep these lasting is, you know, when you want to go and hook up on something. If it's all dirty, greasy and that, well that grease and oil will get on this sheet and it'll burn and crust off quick as can be. So
clean it first.
If it's something you've been working on, it's not working, clean all that stuff off. A little brake clean goes a long way preserving these here pads.
There you
go. I think that's what I got going on, but I think I have a man tool for you all to see. But
man tool.
Quick, what's that? Up there, over there. Stairs.
Says nothing but heavy duty.
None but heavy duty. All right, here we go.
There it is.
1 inch bad boy.
The 1 inch. Everybody's been waiting on that one.
Yep. I got a bunch in. I delivered a bunch. 1,800 foot-pounds breakaway torque, as you all know. 1,500 putting on. 8.0 battery.
Wow.
Now, you see these little teeth in here. You can position this up, down, over here, take it off. You got the nose ring, which I call it. If you're man enough to hook it in your nose. But guys that work on bridges and skyscrapers, they have to tether these 2 little bolts. You take it off, you don't need it. That's all right.
That's a house.
That is it. It comes with 2 8.0 batteries.
That's a mess too.
And as I talked about, 7 pounds lighter than your R2. As I talked about with the CP3 batteries being used, they're making them smaller but run longer. This is for a tool that doesn't use a lot of energy. Not that bad boy. But when we look at the size of the 8.0 battery, they are working on it because there's a 5.0 battery.
Yeah.
It is not a whole lot bigger. Like I say, by the time that they get to 18, 20 amp hour batteries, they'll probably be about this size.
Yeah.
But they are constantly working on it. Milwaukee don't make it today, they will make it tomorrow.
Hold that big boy. That's a house right there.
Now I've been learning more about the 1 key. Because it's a 1 key, it says that on the other side. The 1 key, and I thought it was more on the wrist is covering that. I thought it was all just for programming the 1, 2, 3, 4 for your different torques and that.
Oh no, that Bluetooth to your phone, you set the torque you want and it'll stop.
Right.
Yeah.
But say some dirty rotten son of a dirty rotten bastard walks into your shop and decides to take it on you, you can A, shut this off on them. You can B, track where it is because it's Bluetooth to your phone, and when you mash the trigger, it does actually send a signal out.
Cool.
So you can find out where it is.
So it's got settings in there. I guess that's for however you set it with the 1 key, right?
Yep.
So what's the price on the big boy?
Yeah, that's what I'm waiting on.
1,500 bucks.
1,500 bucks.
Get you 2 to 8.0 batteries, get you the fast charger, get you the D-ring, the nose ring if you're real mean. But nothing but heavy duty.
That's it.
So that's what we're going to end with today. Thank you everybody for all this stuff. Like I said, it's wore me out, but it's all been a good cause, and I think it went outstanding.
There you go.
So thank you very much. The Paxson family thanks you. Nicholas family, thanks you very much. I don't know what you guys have done, sending directly, but every bit adds up. So
there you go.
Have a great week again. 4th of July is coming up, so blow up a bunch. just keep safe doing it.
There you go. Guys, if y'all want any of the Milwaukee stuff Joe's got, and he's got a whole bunch of it.
Oh, step back, Ron.
A whole bunch of it.
I got more too, so.
You can see a whole bunch of it this week. And he's got a bunch of Cornwell screwdrivers and other things. So if you guys want any of that, be sure to give Joe a text. Tell him your phone number.
731-412-7295.
There you go, guys. Give him a text.
It's going to be hunting season too, hint, hint.
There you go. Like always, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, be sure to hit that thumbs up and click that subscribe button, because why, Wally?
Totally free.
Don't cost
Totally
a dime.
free.
You guys have a great week. Catch you next time.